Yo, 2007 Honda Pilot. It's giving me this silly code for a pressure switch. So the victim just got one. There's the part number. I guess there's a few different ones. I don't know where it is, so I gotta find out where this thing is. I got the live data here with the key on, and I just put third and fourth pressure switch because I don't know which one it is. So I went underneath the vehicle and right by the tag for the transmission, I unplugged the connector for it. I just took a really thin wire and stabbed it inside of the connector. I don't want to use anything too thick, because if I put anything too thick in that connector, I can actually ruin the connector. And then I can just ground it out with the key on. And one of these should turn on. Yeah?
Yeah.
So that's the third pressure switch, right?
Yep.
So yeah, I had the third pressure switch turn off and on by grounding it out. So now I know which one it is. I suppose I could take some plastic covers and stuff off of here, but I'm going to try to do it without. I got a 7/8 deep well here, or a 22 millimeter. I'm going to toss that on there and try to get a ratchet on here of some kind. Kind of like that. There, I got it out. It's dribbling a little bit. It doesn't look like I need a washer, a gasket, or an O-ring, or anything for this. There's nothing there. So I'm just going to toss it in, and if it leaks, which I don't think it will, then I'll just have to do some maintenance. I'm sure you don't need to get anything more than probably 15 foot-pounds on this thing of torque. I'm just going to do it by hand and do it by feel, because I'm a touchy-feely kind of guy. Plug the thing in and clear the code and let her buck. Yeah, I didn't see any gasket come out of this or any kind of seal. And there wasn't any with the new one in the box. I got these. These are for a brake pressure switch on a Polaris slingshot, and they fit perfect. I could put one on there, but I'm too cheap. So I'm going to see if it leaks. And if it leaks, I'm going to put one of these on it. It looks like an air conditioning seal, but I've never seen them this size before. So I don't know. That's my video. Okay, bye.